Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm not making an electronics video at all. Today I just want to talk about a human condition. I just want to talk about the imposter syndrome. So on my last video where I built this guy here, I messed so many things up, like I forgot so many points of solder. I had so many issues. The socket was broken. I couldn't figure out how I was going to wire it up and whatever. It got me thinking that I shouldn't be making these kits and I shouldn't be making YouTube videos. And I just want to tell you that if you feel the same, it's entirely normal. It's a normal part of the human condition. It's called the imposter syndrome. It's where we feel as though we don't deserve our success, or we don't deserve our job or our position or our prestige or whatever you want to call it, because something is tripping us up. But I just want to tell you that everybody experiences this. Okay, for me it was so bad that I took a week off of making videos. And if you're struggling with this exact same thing, I'm here to tell you, just do it anyways. Just do it. It's fine. You deserve to be where you are, and the way you're feeling is not just you. It's everyone. I'm pretty sure that even your favorite YouTubers suffer from this condition, and they feel as though they, may not want to continue. So if you're a creative type, if you make things, if you show things off that you make, that you do, like any YouTuber is, or maybe you're a welder, maybe you're a artist, maybe you're a writer, a singer, whatever. If you're one of those people that feel the imposter syndrome hitting you, your best bet is to go and talk to somebody, and you'll see that it's actually normal. And this is kind of why I'm making this video. It is normal to feel that way, but it's not okay to let it rule you. You have to keep going, and you have to do your stuff. You have to keep going, and you'll get back into your groove. If you are not a creator, if you're someone who enjoys what you've watched of your creators, like the poetry you read, or the songs you listen to, or the YouTube videos you watch, if you want to help solve the imposter syndrome, then just give some positive feedback. Leaving a comment in a video, and I'm not saying this so you can leave comments in this video. I'm good now. I got over it. It'll probably hit me again at some point, but right now I'm fine. But go to your favorite YouTubers and comment on their video. Tell them that you like what they're doing and they should keep going, because that could be just a little encouragement they need to get past this little hump. Otherwise, another good thing you can do is you can share your experiences of having the imposter syndrome. If we normalize this concept, then everyone around will kind of understand this is part of being human. We all experience it, and we don't all need to experience it, right? Yes, sometimes you can get over your head, but for the most part, I think we just feel it, and we shouldn't be feeling it, because we're fine. I mean, the stuff I do, my videos, they aren't as good as, Big Clive's or AVE's, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I just want to share my experiences with you guys and make a nice rapport in the comments section. So if you feel as though you've been affected by the imposter syndrome, put it in the comments. And hopefully we can make this sort of like a shared community thing where we can all get over our insecurities and whatever together. Well, that's all I really need to say today, but I thought it was important to say it. So I will see you next time, and thanks for watching.